Our LRP VSD Plus is not only easy to install and easy to operate, it's also very easy to service. This is our lantern flange arrangement. It cancels out the use of expensive equipment to align the drivetrain. You don't need to use lasers or clocking devices. At the same time, it gives you the possibility to do easy service in the field where needed. Another remarkable change compared to classic vacuum engineering is the horizontal setup of the element. It would be too much of an exaggeration to say you can service it lying down. However, this machine is a lot easier to service.